Hi there, Baby Boomer in Winnipeg. I just wanted to do a short update on our seed tape planting. Planted all those carrots, and if you look on this row and this row and this row where the seed tapes were planted, the carrot seeds, not one carrot. It's all just weeds, and I'm afraid to pull them out in case there's other things. Now, I planted a bunch of the leftover carrot seeds here, and look how tall they are already. They're like 2 inches tall. So it's been 4 weeks, and I'd have to say that little experiment was a failure, and I'm not too sure what happened. I was thinking maybe I didn't let the glue dry enough before I put them in the fridge, and maybe that fridge is just too cold and it froze the seeds. But obviously something went wrong, because we're not going to live off these weeds. And the other thing that's growing here is dill. We just have a ton of dill comes up in this yard. We did have some lettuce tape that we actually got from the store, and it's a little spotty as well. Maybe it's just a bad year. So before you try that seed tape, maybe just stick with the traditional ways. Have a good one.